Hello students, welcome to the EVS class. Today we are going to see about a new topic. The topic is parts of plants. Along with human beings and animals, the other primary living beings on earth are plants. They are very important for life on earth because all other living beings depend on them. You can see plants everywhere. Some are tall, some are short, some have colorful flowers, and some have sweet fruits. Come on, let's see parts of plant and uses. A plant has different parts. They have root, stem, leaf, fruit and flower. The stem, the leaf, the fruit and the flower are above the soil and we can easily see them. But we need to dig under the soil to see the roots. These parts of a plant perform different functions to help the plant to grow and stay healthy. Root. The roots are under the soil. They fix the plant in the soil and provide support for it to stand. They take in water and other nutrients from the soil for the plant's growth. Students, see this display. We have to see the root. Okay, the root is mainly used for support to the plant. Here, this is a stem. The stem is above the soil, like our backbone. It helps the plant stand straight. It is very strong, like a pipe. It takes water and other nutrients from the roots and carries them to the leaves, flowers and fruits. The leaf is one of the most important parts of a plant. Plants breathe through small holes on leaves. Leaves are the kitchen of the plants because plants make their food here. Flower. We see nice colorful flowers on the branches of plants. Some have a nice smell. Flowers produce seeds which help give birth to new plants. We are all like flower very much, right? Yes. Fruit. We eat many fruits like apples and oranges. In some plants, flowers grow to become fruits that store food and protect its seeds. Plants that are also living beings. Also grown in a similar manner, plants grow from a seed to a sapling to a big plant. Let us look at all the stages in the life cycle of a plant. Here we have life cycle of a sunflower. The number 1 stage is seed. A plant's life begins as a seed under the ground. And second stage is sprouting seed. After a few days, the seed begins to grow roots down in the soil. Third one is sprout. When a small stem comes out of the soil, that plant is called a sprout. Next is sapling. A sapling is a small plant with some leaves. Small plant. A small plant is taller than a sapling and it has more leaves than sapling. And last one is big plant. The plant becomes big and grows flowers and fruits. The seeds from the flowers and fruits again sprout under the ground. This starts the life cycle of a new plant. See here, student. This is a life cycle of a sunflower. Okay, the number one stage is seed, sprouting seed, and then sprout, sapling, small plant, big plant. Again, the seeds from the flowers and fruits again sprout under the ground. This starts the life cycle of a new plant. Next is needs of plants. We know that all human beings grow with time. What do we need to grow? We need food, water, and air. Similarly, plants also need resources to grow from a seed to a sapling to a big plant. Plants need 4 things to live and grow: water, sunlight, soil, and air. They take water from the soil through the roots. They receive sunlight and absorb it through their leaves. They take in air through the holes in their leaves. They get nutrients from the soil through the roots. If a plant does not get these things, it will not grow. Here, plant needs 4 things to grow. They take water from the soil through the roots. They receive sunlight and absorb it through leaf. They take air through the holes in their leaves. They get nutrients from the soil through their roots. If a plant does not get these things like water, air, sunlight, nutrients from the soil, means it will not grow. So, these 4 main things are used to grow of the plants. So, these 4 things are very important to grow plants. Students, in this parts of plants unit, we learned parts of a plant and uses, life cycle of a plant, and needs of plants. Next class we will see the another topic, and thank you students. We will meet in next class.